Hey everybody, I'm in Utica, New York today for the Utica train show at the station. Behind me you can see the Adirondack Scenic Railways equipment a little bit. I was here last year and it's a gorgeous station, so we'll go in and see it again. And I'll flip around and give you a view of the outside of the station. Alright, there's the outside, which doesn't tell you how gorgeous it is inside. And there's the bridge over the main line, and there's your platform cover. All the Adirondack passenger cars lined up. So let's go inside and see if I find any goodies. All right, here's a little better view of the station. And I will say it's nice that it's about 20 degrees out instead of -5 like it was last year. Okay, I found a quiet corner. There's a lot of people here, lots of stuff. But I'll give you an overall view of the interior. This place is amazing. I guess we'll go scan some tables and show you. And there's displays we'll check out too. Got some foreign stuff here. I've gotten into foreign trains, British trains recently.
Some of this off a little work.
This is S scale. Some really old HO. And there's plenty of die cast. Lots of matchboxes and all kinds of brands of die cast, scales. Hey, even Barbie's here. Great mix of everything here. And while you're at the show, if you want to leave on Amtrak or come on Amtrak, this is an active station. Here we got some really cool O scale. If I was switching scales, I'd want this thing. That is gorgeous. I love these. This is the original benches, hardwood. There's my bag, give you a sense of scale. Marble on top, I assume it's marble. These brass vents. And the station is full of these. They're gorgeous. Yeah, this guy's got tons of HO rolling stock. He'll be open for shop soon, but we'll talk about that later when I get home. Okay, we've seen this before, but it's too cool not to see again. Now quickly identify everything's in a tornado. Godzilla nuclear plant. Sharknadoes that aren't NATOing, I guess. This is N scale, by the way. Alright, too funny not to show. It's not part of the makeup of the module layout. Hey, look, it's the Griswold house. Got a switching layout here. This thing is really nice.
There you go. A little more. There you go. Now we gotta get. My bad. Sorry about that.
That's okay.
It's not the most even thing in the world.
Alright, I know we show a lot of this station, but I just can't get enough of it. I probably said it 5,000 times, this place is amazing. Now this is the testing station. This is ingenious. It rotates and you have the different scales.
Zip.
Could you catch? I wanted to know if this light works.
That is an awesome idea.
Touch the rail.
Okay, I'm still in the station, but I'm up in the walkway that goes across the tracks, so you can cross over to whichever side the Amtrak pulls in. And look at from here, you can see the steam engine on display. And there's the main line. And if we get lucky, we'll get a train coming through.
Very interesting. Good to know. All right. Well, thank you very. What's your name? Larry Gerard. I'm an engineer.
That is seriously cool. That engine really vibrates the bridge. So do the cars, but man, when the engine goes under, it's like, ugh. All right, hopefully we get another train. Once again, don't play around the tracks or you end up like this skunk. Hey, just a little side note, not far from Utica, south of Utica, is the Chobani plant. You know, Chobani yogurt. So if you're a fan of their yogurt like I am, I love their flips. Well, out in the middle of the countryside here, south of Utica, is where they make Chobani yogurt. All right, guys, I'm home now, so let's just go real quick what I got, because I know you're all dying to know. So first off, I got this European, I think called a brake van. I'm not sure. $3. Yeah, it's in rough shape, missing a few pieces here and there. But this is for a project I'm working on. I'm not going to tell you what it is because it's a secret. So there. All right. Yeah, I'm not really switching to European trains, although they're cool. I've been really enjoying watching Hornby videos. I got this Lionel rocket launcher. Now, I have 2 of these already. This one's in great shape. But what I don't have, the 2 I have are missing the handle. Both sides. Apparently, you know, there's a plastic. You pull this back, and you would push down on these 2, and it launched this rocket. And I'm going to guess kids play with these and broke these off because I don't have any. I didn't realize it was on both sides. I thought it was just one side. So I don't think I'm going to keep this pristine as much as possible, clean it up. But hey, it was a cool find. It was $20. I didn't think it was too bad for an old Lionel in practically mint condition. I got another Arcade in Utica Railroad because I love that railroad. Remember, go back and watch my video when I was there this past year. I had a blast there. This is an Athearn kit, probably custom printed, I believe. I mean, I have some of these. I don't have that number. And then we have another Athearn. Just a cover hopper. I wanted a black covered hopper for a graffiti car. I'm behind doing some graffiti because I promised some guys, or some of you guys, I would do your names. But hey, the price is right. I think I got $10 for this. So I picked up that. And look at this. Add realism and entertainment to your HO layout. So you can't go wrong with this, that's for sure. And what this is, and I just lost a piece. You see it go flying? It's a lumber carrier. Well, it was, originally Cox had made this as a lumber carrier. This one came with a crate, so you just drive over and, you know, in theory, you drive over and... Okay. There you go. I have one of these, and I started painting it yellow. I was going to put windows and that stuff. I don't know what I did with it. It's in a box somewhere, but I figured, you know what? The guy was selling this for a whopping $1. So I just picked up. What's that? Hey, it's brand new. So, and I can jazz this up. And then I got, this just got released. The road, what do they call these things again? The road railers by Bowser. You know, the trucks that ride on the train. You hook them all a bunch together. And this has the Faded Swift. Which, you know, at my age, I feel like I got Faded Swift. Anyways. Got one more of these. I think I like 20, 21. Be, excuse me. Great to see that in the layout. All those zinging. If I ever build one. So, that was my goodies I got. And I also wanted to tell you guys where I got that Arcade in Utica car and that black covered hopper. The guy's going to try open a new shop in Utica. Starting April 1st. So if you're up that way, hey, check this guy out. He had tons and tons of rolling stock. So I bet he had more than he had showing at the show, because he said, you know, it's hard hauling all the gear everywhere. But hey, it's nice to have a new brick and mortar place to check out. Plus, I'll tell you guys, go to Utica. If you want to visit New York State, or you live in New York State, but you're looking for a place to rail fan, you haven't been there, go there. That station is amazing. Nobody gives you a hassle. You can film the trains going by. Just, you know, behave yourself as always. And, you know, now you got a shop you can hit come April. Hopefully it's a success. It's just a cool place to go. So, all right. I hope you guys enjoyed my day with me in Utica. And as always, where you see trains, you just might see me.